So this is Kwaw music. I don't know if you heard it in so many Ghanaian funeral songs. All right. All right. So this is what I'm doing. I'm playing key F. All right. I don't know if I'm correctly tuned, but this is key F. So it's the fa and then the mi. That is the fa in mi. So you have to play it rhythmically on the right side. So that is the two strings here. These two strings. All right. What is it? The G and then the D string. All right. So the key when you strike this chord, which is in key F, the fa is B flat, D, and then the F. So if you strike it, then you play only the two at the top of it. Then we come to the mi of key F, which is the notes you're going to play the E and then C. Then you add the F to the F to it. All right. So this tune has been used mostly in funeral songs. All right. So let's play something glorious. All right. So. So these are just licks to accompany the chorus, mostly using modes. All right. So from the so of key F to so. So from C to C. So this chord is B flat 6. Just adding the re of F to the B flat 13 or 6. It's just adding the la to the fa, okay, or the re to the fa. Sorry, it's re rather. So. So I play the re, then to me. So yeah, Christopher, yo, nyamibio. So this is a Ghanaian music, all right? So it simply translates, we have a God who speaks and all things becomes calm. So it starts from so, but the so you won't add the last so here for it to sound like this, which will not voice the melody well. So Kwaw music takes the last strings out. The last strings are only added for licks and riffs, all right? So, but then the voicing is Ray. Do you get it? When I say so, I mean C major. But then the voicing actually is Ray, so it's like a chord melody. So the voicings are this. And then the actual chord or the bass line is this. So to ti. So you can explore. This is so you can come to. You add the la to it, but actually the voicing is me. Sorry. So if you want to jazzy it, or you can add the last string. The bass line. All right, so guys, that is it. This is Kwaw music for you. All right.